guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI. Today's video is to get ready with me. I'm gonna be doing my hair, my makeup. I could really show you my outfit too. I'm just getting ready for the day. It's actually the Super Bowl. About to get lit. I'll vlog a little. So yeah.
Stop playing with him.
DEVINCI in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
Alright guys, today I'm gonna be getting ready, putting on my wig, perhaps putting on some makeup. So a cold wig. You saw still wet. So right now what I'm doing is just kind of getting it into the position of where I want to put it on my head. And I'm gonna be using the Got To Be Glue Breeze Blast because I really like it. It makes things a lot easier and it's less messy. Gavin, do we have an extension cord? I'm gonna need one so I could plug up like either the wand, flat iron, something. So I'm gonna spray it here on my face. Okay. Going with my book. Like old and dusty, but just to kind of make it a little tacky.
Girl, all the yeah. Y'all know who I am, right? What's that on that beat? Let's go.
Middle part is not laid.
All the rich niggas, they want you. Girl, all the rich niggas.
If we had a blow dryer on cool, it would be a lot easier, guys. But it's okay. If you don't have a blow dryer, just do what I'm doing. You'll be just fine.
I'm really good.
I'd already asked for an extension cord, Gavin. I'm already done installing
the extension cord.
The wig.
You don't have the blow dryer.
Okay. Gavin is so funny. We've already got the wig on our face. He asking. So our wig is secured on our face. We've secured our wig with the Got To Be Glue Breeze Blast. That's all we used was the holding spray. It works. It stays on. This wig ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna like put this silk scarf on. The glue and the hair can just bond together and get super natural. And I'm gonna leave this on for like 10 minutes.
10-minute break, right?
Yes. Oh, it's so cute. You like my hair color?
I love it.
He loved it. He just watched me put it on, so perhaps you know how to do it. Do you want to do it one day?
On you?
Do you guys want to see him install one of my frontals? You say yeah? Oh no, let us know in the comments. He would like literally probably ruin my wig, so I don't know about that one. One, curling my hair. It's hot outside. Just trying to stay cool. I've been hitting the hair with a little bit of hairspray, and I kind of let the curl cool in my hand. I would typically wear this wig in like a part to the middle, but I really didn't want to, so.
Can I get an 8?
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Few times you've been around that track, so it's not just gonna happen like that. Cause it ain't no holler back, girl. Ain't no holler back.
I just took a couple bars, blunt long like extension. Even got some Zanny in the fanny, now my phone missing. I don't give a fuck, get another one tomorrow. Oh damn, I remember shit, I left it in the car. I be lit, come out with the spaceship. I be lifted, not the research group. I stay laced like shoes, and I had your body missing like the roof of the coupe.
Hey, family, what you family?
Yeah, come say hello.
You ain't family. Oh!
Yeah.
Man. Oh, is this a hair or makeup?
All of both.
Okay, well, you know, I'm gonna be next, you know what I'm saying?
All of the above.
No makeup though.
He said no makeup.
No makeup though. Shout out to everybody. Super Bowl.
Super Bowl Sunday.
Eagles.
Looking at the truth, the money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate you.
She's lost in love. I must have overslept on her. She wants me when she wants me. Otherwise she really don't care. She's a keeper with a player's mind. When we're in public she don't know me. At home she treats me like a king.
It's on you here. Oh, it's right under the chair right there. Right here. It's still burning. Booked all month in a room on my schedule.
Stabs and butters.
So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like this, hair, makeup, get ready with me, let me know in the comment sections. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
It'll be alright.
Hey, Gabby.
I got hot dogs to burn. I got hot dogs to burn. Pretty cool shit here, you know what I'm saying?
What you got to say to the people?
I just want to say, what up? 2018, we after this money.
I just want to know, can you pop it for pimp? Pop it for pimp. Pop it for pimp. Pop it for pimp. Pop it for pimp. This is my man's song. Hey, hey. So I could only assume he's talking about me. Pop it for pimp. I just want to know. You guys want to see my outfit of the day? And some. They about to be hot dogs. They looking for some food.